But there's something more important happening next Thursday.
There definitely is, and football's coming home.
I hope you're right, Paul. So Paul, if we didn't have much to talk about last week as far as currency moves, we've got even less this week.
Yeah, that's correct, Sam. Seen very little movement in both cable around 70 points and sterling euro around 40.
Well, there seems to be plenty of news coming out of the Middle East. Why are those currency pairings trading within such a tight range?
Well, despite these geopolitical headlines, markets appear accustomed to the risks.
Meaning, traders have seen the same risks for so long that markets no longer react strongly to them.
Yeah, exactly. And a few years ago, concerns about oil supply disruptions could cause major currency swings. But so far, shipping disruptions have been manageable.
But doesn't 20% of the global oil consumption pass through the Strait of Hormuz?
It does, but oil production has become more diversified and global inventories are better managed.
But obviously, if the conflict continues and oil prices remain elevated or move even higher, this will eventually feed into the economic forecasts, inflation expectations, and currency market moves.
Yeah, of course it will, but for now markets seem to be pricing in a resolution with the expectation that the straits will reopen and oil supplies will normalise.
And if things moving forward, what is the latest?
Well, much of the same then, 2 steps forward and 1 step back.
And what's been happening on the UK political front? It seems to have gone quiet for now.
Yeah, very much so. I'm thinking the markets seem to be out of sight, out of mind mode.
I agree. When you consider when Burnham announced he was going to contest in the by-election, we saw sterling crash, only to recover because Burnham committed to fiscal rules. But will he, if he gets in, has Burnham changed?
Yeah, I know what you mean. It could be a case of once the fox is in the henhouse. He's already U-turned after previously saying he would reverse Brexit. And he cancelled a call on short notice with a group of hedge fund leaders this week, which was due to be a discussion around bond market pressure.
But his office said it will be rearranged. Be interesting to see if he does rearrange before the by-election, which is in 2 weeks' time.
Yeah, it will.
But in your opinion, Paul, there are still major risks for the pound if Burnham becomes PM.
Yeah, I think they are, but it may be a slow burn. It's been reported that Ed Miliband would become Chancellor, a promotion for supporting his leadership bid.
So PM and Chancellor, both from the left, look out bond vigilantes.
Yeah, I think we could see some major moves to the pound in the third and fourth quarter.
And the data this week, Paul?
UK PMIs came in as expected, along with the Eurozone inflation. And US jobs data, which we have had so far this week, points to a stable labour market, although hiring is slow, but the big one is yet to come.
Yeah, the monthly non-farm payrolls this afternoon.
Yep.
And what's happening next week, Paul?
Well, US inflation data on Wednesday and the European Central Bank meeting on Thursday.
But there's something more important happening next Thursday.
There definitely is, and football's coming home.
I hope you're right, Paul.